after his daughter realized that Milky was not around. At that time, we went to 7-Elevens, and Milky had no leash. Most of the time, we wanted that way because he's obedient, Megan. A little backstory.
Pumasok ng 7-Eleven. Pagpasok sa 7-Eleven, pinaalis siya.
Our theory then was that he went home straight. We checked the house first to confirm.
Pag maubuang ka.
Milky! Ano na nakauli? Ayun na. Yung dalaga na.
Masaway ka, anak. Ba't ka nawala? Kasi pinanapin.
Ito na siya. Yan na si Milky. Pasawayan. Safe. Aram ko na nga yung nalulus na yun eh. Ibay mo talaga. Bilib talaga ako sa pang-amoy ng mga aso at pang-kilala.
Kumain na ako talaga. Kay ma'am, ano lang, okay din. Then, saan tayo sa city?
Wow.